Hi everyone, this is Professor Ben Sher here with you, and I'm really excited to announce my new class on Mike's Master Classes, the Repertoire workshop. I've had a chance to work with many students here at Mike's, and lots of great players who have all sorts of different skill levels working on stuff. And what I found is that everybody has a lot of information. Everybody's learned some scales and some licks and some beginnings of tunes. But now the object is to really put it together so that you can play through tunes and be ready to go out there and play. So we'll concentrate on the tunes themselves. Everything will kind of evolve from trying to get through the entire tune. We'll talk about how to set up the groove, how to play introductions, how to carry the melody, maybe harmonize a little bit so that you can play with the trio, memorize the changes, look at variations in the possible chords going by, how to play a tag on the end, and how to accompany a bass solo and trade fours. We'll look at a few different styles of tunes. We'll look at some standards, and we'll look at some bossa novas, and we'll also look at blues and rhythm changes, some of the different variations in chords that you can play on blues and on rhythm changes, and some of the different melodies that have been written, jazz blues melodies and rhythm changes melodies. So yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing everybody. I also have some backing tracks, which you're hearing right now. These are tracks that I've created with the great drummer Steve Langone. I'm playing on these, but I'll be able to provide these for you, and you'll be able to dub in your own guitar parts. So you'll have the forum to actually play some trio stuff, and I'll have a chance to listen to you, and we'll work with what you come up with on that. So, okay, hope to see you in late March when we begin this course.